Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Food Delicious channel. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. And if you subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today's video I want to share with you all how to make the best sugar bread. It's so delicious. So I'll start by measuring out my all-purpose flour. I'm using 4 cups. Once I'm done measuring my flour, I will add in sugar, yeast, salt. Be sure to keep your salt away from the yeast because if it's close to the yeast, it can deactivate it. You then mix this together until they are incorporated. Once I'm done mixing, I'm going to make a well at the middle where I'm going to add in the wet ingredients. So I'll add in 1 cup of cold water. To that, I'll add in vegetable oil and crack in 1 egg. And I'm going to mix this together until a dough is formed. So I will add in my water bit by bit until I get a smooth texture, just like this. So a dough has formed. I'll sprinkle some flour on my work surface where I'm going to knead my dough to prevent it from sticking to the surface. Okay, we are going to knead this for 10 to 15 minutes until a smooth dough is got. This kneading process is just like washing clothes. So my dough is ready. The gluten has formed. If you press it, it's supposed to bounce back, meaning it is ready for proving. I will lubricate the bowl I want to prove my dough so that my dough should not stick to it when proving. I'm going to put it into it and cover and let this to prove or rise for an hour in a warm environment. Once my dough is proven, I'm just going to grease my baking pan and sprinkle in some flour so that my bread should not stick to the pan after baking, which will not make it good. It will just ruin the presentation. Okay. Make sure to dust out any excess flour from your pan. 1 hour later, I checked on my dough. It has beautifully doubled in size. I'll then deflate it because we don't need the air. I'm then going to put on my work surface and shape this. You can shape this into any shape you want, but me, I'm shaping it into a round shape. Okay. Once I'm done molding, I'm going to put it into my baking pan. Make sure to heat your pan so that the dough can rest on the bottom. Cover these and leave to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Minutes later, my dough has doubled in size, and guess what? It's ready for baking. Anyway, I'm not baking these with an oven. I'm using a stove for these. So I'll do that by putting salt into my pot and put a stand to prevent my pan from being at the bottom of the pot. I'll then put it into it, cover it, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. My bread is ready. It's so delicious. It's super duper delicious. So chewy, moist, and airy. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Kindly like and share this video and drop a comment if this video is helpful to you. Bye. See you later in my next video.